Did you see those viral videos where people turn their text messages into full songs? Yeah, this trend is blowing up on TikTok and Instagram right now. And honestly, the results are not only funny, they also sound surprisingly good. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this, step by step, using Suno AI. And the best part? You don't need to know how to play an instrument or sing. Just take a screenshot and you can make a song. And it's completely free to make. Alright, let's get into it. You can do this with texts from pretty much any platform. WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, iMessage, or even Discord. Literally anything. For our first example, I'm using a Telegram conversation. This scenario here, we've all been there. You're trying to wrap up your workday at 5 p.m. on a Friday, and your boss decides that is the perfect time for a quick call. I have a Telegram chat open where the manager keeps delaying the time. The employee is trying to leave for the city, but the situation keeps getting worse until it turns into a full meltdown. This is perfect song material because there's a real tension and awkwardness baked into it, which is exactly why it will be fun to transform this into a song. Alright, the first step is getting the lyrics. You could manually retype every message, but that's a waste of time. So instead, just take a screenshot of the chat on your phone. If you're on Android, open the screenshot in Google Photos, tap the Google Lens icon at the top, highlight the conversation, and copy it. And if you're on an iPhone, it's just as simple. Open it in your Photos app, tap the live text icon at the bottom right, hit Select All, then copy. Or, if you're on a PC or laptop, you can upload the screenshot to Google Lens on your browser and copy the text from there. Now, those messages we just copied, they are your lyrics. Next, let's head over to Suno, but not the main interface. We need to go to this specific Suno webpage. You can do this on your mobile phone or computer. Just type it exactly the same into your browser and enter. Here you'll find a dedicated text-to-song interface built specifically for this trend. We have a large input box to paste your text messages here. Go ahead and drop in that Telegram drama we just copied. Next, we can choose a style for our song. I want to flip the tension of this scene, so I'm going for something exciting, like upbeat ukulele pop. And right here, we've got a Beautify lyrics button. Let's click it. Look at that. Suno AI understands the nature and structure of the conversation, assigns characters with adding emotion tags to each line. Most importantly, it keeps the same original messages without changing anything. As you can see, it even enhances the style prompt here. You can edit any tags or tweak character roles here as you want. And once you hit create, you will be taken to the main Suno interface. Everything loads up, and Suno generates 2 different versions of the song at the same time. Alright, here we go. Let's listen.
Hey, are you free for a quick call at 5:45?
Should be, yeah, I do need to be out by 7 though. I've got plans in the city.
Perfect, speak then, sorry. Just finishing something up.
Give me 10 still in it.
My bad. Can we say 6:15?
Sure.
5 more minutes, sorry about this.
I'm sorry, I'm about to run out. Can we reschedule for tomorrow?
Hello? Ready when you are.
It's past 7 and I'm outside.
This is unacceptable. Calling you now.
I'm on the subway.
Can you talk? It won't take long.
It already has.
This really isn't good enough. We had a call scheduled for 5:45.
Wow, this is way better than it should be. It completely flips the mood of the situation. The lyrics are telling a stressful, awkward story, but the song itself has a bright and catchy vibe. You can still understand the whole situation clearly, but now it feels more like a comedy scene than a workplace disaster. That contrast is exactly what makes this trend work so well. Okay, so just like that, we turned a stressful text conversation into a full-on song. Now remember, this is still AI. Sometimes it may not get the roles or emotions 100% accurately assigned. If that happens, just edit or tweak them within the prompt. Alright, next, let's try something else. I have a screenshot of this funny Facebook comment thread. It's a classic. Good old sarcastic internet. This is a completely different vibe this time. A comedic scene itself. Just like before, I'm gonna select and copy the text from the screenshot with Google Lens here. And now, let's paste it in the text-to-song section and remove the unnecessary stuff to get clean lyrics. Looking at the lyrics, I think this may be perfect for a rap battle. So I'm gonna type old school hip hop rap battle in the style box and hit the Beautify lyrics button. Okay, we have the roles and the tags now. Let's hit create. Here we are. Let's hear it.
So much for calling me dad, let down once again.
Who wants to call you dad?
No one, my dad said he was gonna call me, but he didn't.
Then the correct way to say it is
So much for calling me dad. Who cares?
not your dad, obviously.
Yeah, again, that is great. The comment thread already had that back and forth energy, so the beat gives it more attitude. Perhaps it would be interesting to try out switching the roles here. I will surely try that another time. Okay, so once your song is ready, click the 3 dots and you'll see a download option. You can export it as an MP3 or in high-quality WAV format for audio, or as a video file with scrolling lyrics, which is perfect for social media. So why is this trend going viral? Well, it all comes down to contrast. You're taking something boring or stressful, like a workplace conversation, and turning it into something fun and entertaining. So yeah, you should definitely try this with your own messages. It's actually a lot of fun. But before you start, keep 2 things in mind. First, Suno gives you free daily credits, so experiment with different styles. Second, the more text you use, the better the structure of your song. Short chats can feel a bit abrupt, so try to capture the full conversation when possible. And that's it. This is easily one of the simplest and most fun ways to turn everyday moments into something creative. Whether you're capturing a funny chat with friends or venting about a bad day, you're turning it into something memorable. So go dig up your craziest screenshots, head over to Suno, and see what kind of songs are hiding in your message history. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more content like this. I've got a lot more coming on Suno and AI music. I can't wait to see what you create. Happy creating!